Okay, in this experiment, we'll measure the density of a solid, irregular shape. A cylinder is okay, it's good, but it's hard to calculate its volume, and so we don't measure the volume of the cylinder directly. Instead, we use water displacement. I think it is not a brand new concept for you guys. And then we will measure some density of fuels. And first I will pick a unknown solid from here, and let's pick number 24. Okay, gold. I like gold. Okay, so we will measure the, I don't know what's the material, I don't know what's the density of this. I doubt it's gold. Okay, so this number 24, and write that on your menu. And 24, and then I need measure. First step is I need to measure the weight of this this cylinder. Okay, let's go. To use the balance. The balance is another very important equipment in the lab. Okay, so and before I put the cylinder on, I put the weight paper to protect the balance, and then I zero it. Basically, this is everything is zero now. Whatever the reading here will be the weight of my cylinder, which is 54.63 gram. Okay, and you need to write this number on the menu too, 54.63 gram for number 24 cylinder. Now let's go back and to the station and continue with the rest of the experiment. The next step is I need a 50 milliliter of graduate cylinder, and I fill with some water about 30 millimeter, but I need an exact reading of how much water there. When you read the graduate cylinder, and you have to make sure your eye level at the same level of the surface, and your reading is on the meniscus, bottom of the meniscus. So, and here this is 35, 36, and below 37, so it's about 36.6 milliliter water before I put the cylinder. Okay, so you need to write down this number, 36.6 milliliter water before I put the cylinder. Okay, now it's time for me to put the cylinder inside the water. And when I put the cylinder, I want it to slide down because I don't want to break the cylinder, since the graduate cylinder is made of glass. Okay, so now I need to read again the water and the cylinder. What's the new volume now? Is 41, 42, 43, a little bit above 43, 43.1 milliliter. Okay, after I add the cylinder is 43.1 milliliter. You need to write down this value too. And based on the mass, we already get the weight of the cylinder, and also the volume change of the water before and after I add the cylinder. Now we can calculate the density of this metal piece. And record all the data we get from the experiment and write down on your menu, and calculate the density of this number 24 metal cylinder. And we will do another one repeat another one for the second time. And now this time we pick a silver one, looks like. Okay, this is number 5. Okay, this is much lighter than that one. And I don't know also what's this made of. And also first we need to get the weight of this, get the mass of this metal cylinder. Okay, and I will measure by myself. And this piece is 18.17 gram, 18.17 gram. Okay, this is the mass of this number 5 metal cylinder. And before I put that, I also need to know what's the original volume of the water. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 34.2. Okay, before I put there, this is 34.2 gram water in the graduate cylinder. Now I need slowly slide this down. Okay. And after I put the metal cylinder, its water level raised up to 40.8 milliliter. This is with the cylinder is 40.8 milliliter. Okay, and now with the data, trial 2 data, this is the trial 2 data with the number 5 cylinder, and you can calculate the density. Okay, this is the measurement of solid, the density of solid. This method called water displacement. By putting the cylinder into water, and you can calculate the volume of the cylinder by the raise up of the water level. Okay, so next we will do the density measurement of fuse, diesel fuse.